Hi guys, welcome to the newest edition of Life of Randomness. So today we are going to talk about an USB light. Why USB light? It's really small. Is it really necessary? Yes, it is. And at Life of Randomness, nothing is small or nothing is too big, right? So when talking about the USB lights, just wanted to let you know, guys, I am quite keen or fond of USB lights. It's been quite long that I have been collecting USB lights from here and there. I have a couple of them, not too many, might be some 4, 5, or 6, 7. We'll be showing it to you on the later stage of video as well. But yes, this particular USB light come into the picture while we took a trip to IKEA this weekend. And this was also a random trip which we planned. To my surprise, they have kept electrical and electronic items as well this time. And it was quite fascinating. And this particular USB light come into my notice because of this curious shape and the functionality. It's not too fancy, but at the same time, it do its job. All right. And without further ado, let's jump into it. Welcome to IKEA. Nice place they have made over here, right? Quite a greenery. And we took a metro from our place over here, and most probably it is written over there in Swedish, welcome. Yeah, and greenery, too much of greenery. Looks nice, right? Enjoy the view. And here it is, our showstopper of the day, the red color USB light by IKEA. So many of them. So many of them in single bucket. I was really happy to see. It was a feast for my eyes. A party, to be very precise. So I tried to put it in the USB-E socket, but realized no, not the right one. USB-C it is. So now it's glowing. It's on. And I tried for the bend test as well. It bends a lot. It's quite flexible. You can adjust it at any given angle and it'll work properly. That's a good thing, right? Now we are looking at its competitor, a black color USB light. It's quite bendable. You can bend it in any kind of shape and it will still work. It's a nice product which they have made, but it didn't appeal to me a lot. So within a second, I'll show you how it works. The first piece which I tried, it was not working, as you can see. Now the second piece, it worked. But the focus of that light, it's not that great. So I thought like let it be. Out of curiosity, I tried second piece as well. That is it working or not? It worked. I was happy to see that. This is the USB hub they have provided with an USB-C adapter. And this is the part where I had too much of fun. A bulb which can be adjusted via a fan regulator. I've seen these kind of products earlier, but over there it was kind of a science fair for me. I was having too much of fun, twisting and turning around, adjusting the contrast of the bulb. Quite good. And the price you can see on the left hand side top corner. That's $3.99. $3.99 again. And this is the treasure chest of bulbs. And these are the fancy table lamps, pencil shaped and in multicolor of 2490. Pretty interesting, right? Next one is of rocket shape. You can give a bit of competition to Elon Musk with this one. You can try and go to Mars with this. And yes, it changes colors as well. Does Elon's spaceship do that? I don't think so. IKEA has done its part. It's a pretty same price. And this table lamp, you can use it for your Halloween decorations. Multicolor,
Again, similar price range. Quite great. Yeah, they had different table lamps as well in different shapes, but didn't cover those. And for the random weird product of the day, toilet which was on display, but it was covered with a white color film. God only knows what happened, why they have put a film over there. Quite strange, huh?
All right, so this is the one which I got from IKEA. I didn't get the another one, the black color one, because it was costing me around 500 bucks a piece. I didn't find it really intriguing because of its functionality. You could have seen the focus of that light was quite small, okay, and it didn't appeal me too much. But anyways, here we are with this one, and I'll show you how this is working. See, over here you can just turn off, turn on, turn on, turn off. Yeah, I have connected it via a power bank. Okay, so yes, it's working pretty good. So apart from this, I have this one. So it glows quite a lot. I'll show it to you. Yes, I am an Ambrain fan. You could have noticed that other one was of also Ambrain. This is also Ambrain. Okay, so see the glow. At the dark it'll be really shiny, trust me guys. Okay, and I'm not really sure you are able to identify the color or not, but it is white in light. Okay, white color light. Okay, so this is one. Another one, same model but different color. Okay, it'll be of yellow. Okay, so you can say this is kind of a mood lighting. Yes, similar kind of product but different kind of color. So apart from these two, I have a regular one. Okay, this one I use it as my night light. Okay, this is normal white color. Okay, and one of the rarest nowadays, earlier it was not, uh, it was manufactured by mi. Okay, and if you can see that year of manufacture 2018, well, this is a quite a great led light stick, what I can say. And I have got it quite a long back, obviously, as per the date you can see. Didn't opened it till now. Okay, so today is the day. We'll show you how this thing works. I have a different color of the same model. I use that one, but I'll show you this. Okay, so simple again. Okay, plug it in, and it's on via this switch. Okay, you can see the switch, and you can change the color contrast to the temperature I'm talking about. It's in yellow color. Okay, there are couple of modes, most probably five modes are there. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, the brightest one, and it shines really bright in the dark. So it's quite fascinating for me. Okay, and I have preserved it as it is. So that's about it. This is a collection of my USB lights. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And yes, let me know what you guys think about it. Wait guys, I have got another one. So this is a reading light. Okay, also an USB light. So you can use it as a book light. Okay, you can keep it on the table and use it for other purpose as well. The best part of this, I'll show it to you. Over here with this switch, you can change the color of the particular light bulb. See, over here it's yellow, and then if you are going to press it a little bit longer, it turned into white light. And yes, if you are going to press it thrice again, it will increase its, what do you say, brightness. So once you are going to press thrice, it will increase its brightness. See, quite fascinating, huh? If you can change the color again, if you want. 1 2 3. Well, this is the collection of my USB light and the newest one in my cap. Too much of exhaustion on that particular day. We roamed around quite a bit of time. It was close to some 5.5 or 6 hours, might be more than that, throughout the IKEA. And yes, we shopped other things as well, household items, but nothing to mention about all those stuff. If you want, I can really show it to you what other stuff what we have got from IKEA. Let me know in the comments. Also, please let me know if you are interested in any other kind of USB lights, okay? Or you are also in the collection of USB lights just like me, or if you want to see any other kind of USB light which can be used in the survival situation. I know there is not too much uh, of market in India for survival gadgets. For sure, I will be coming out with another video regarding the same thing about survival gadgets also. But yes, let me know down in the comments if you want to see similar kind of products, okay, or whatever your thoughts are about this one. And that's about it. Thanks a ton for watching this video. If you enjoyed this, please like, subscribe and share. Till then, ciao, goodbye.